I want to show you the technique that I'm going to use to resurface, resand, refinish this wood and resin wall art piece, which will become a vanity countertop for a bathroom. So I have my Festool RO125 sander, soft sanding pad, and the grits I'm going to use, since this piece is already finished, I'm going to start at 120, go to 150, go to 180, go to 220, 320, and then I'm going to use Odie's oil with a non-woven applicator pad and my buffing pad for my Rotex sander. First, I put my sander in Rotex mode, where it just spins, kind of like a grinder. I put a soft sanding pad on my sander, and I take my first grit, which is 120 grit. When I sand resin in Rotex mode, I will start and I will go across the wood, across the resin, and I'll come back, pull it off, blow off the extra resin buildup on the sandpaper. If you don't remove that, it'll create some burn-in marks. See all of that resin buildup? Spray off all the excess. There's one thing I may add. I do have my face mask on. So I'm going to go to 150 here, repeat the same process. And I do not have any swirl marks that I can see. So now I can proceed with applying the Odie's oil. I'm going to do that tomorrow, not tonight. See you tomorrow. All right, so here's Odie's oil. I'm going to stir it. I'm going to saturate the pad. Wax on, wax off. All right, so the Odie's oil has been sitting for about an hour, maybe about 45 minutes. So I can see that it's ready to be removed because I can wipe my finger down and I can see the mark on the wood and on the resin, of course. So I'm going to use my Rotex sander without any sanding paper, of course, and without the sanding pad. And I don't need the vacuum when I'm doing this as well, obviously. So I'm gonna put it in Rotex mode and go over it a few times and remove the excess oil. And I'll come back with the cloth with a cotton terry cloth and remove it from the sides, all of the places that I can't get to with this. You can control the sheen level to resin with Odie's oil by sanding. If I sand up to 220 grit, that's more of a flat / matte finish. So that's one huge advantage to using Odie's oil, I find, for my projects.